So we have the first scene with Mahaprabhu dancing along with all the forest animals.
Dule dule gora chaan hari gun gaan. Dule dule gora chaan hari gun gaan. Ashiya vrindavani, ashiya vrindavani, nache gaura raas. Dule dule gora chaan hari gun gaan. Dule dule gora chaan hari gun gaan. Vrindavani taro lada, premi koi hari gata. Vrindavani taro lada, premi koi hari gata. Nikunjir baki doli, kali ram shunai. Dule dule gora chaan hari gun gaan. Dule dule gora chaan hari gun gaan. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
One day, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was near the Alakananda Ganges, which runs between Jalangi river and the river Ganges, Bhagirathi, which flows near the Harihara Kshetra, he saw a parrot. It's a very unique deity which we will be visiting during our yatra. Harihara Kshetra, where you have the Lord half lion, which is half Vishnu and half Shiva. We now have the scene between Mahaprabhu and the parrot.
This is a beautiful place. It resembles the forest of Vrindavan. Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! See this parrot. It is not different from the Sukdev Goswami who spoke the entire Srimad Bhagavatam. Can you please speak about the glories of Radha and Krishna?
Gaura, 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 Gaura.
Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnu. I want you to chant Radha and Krishna. And you are speaking Gaura, Gaura, Gaura. Please tell the glories of Radha and Krishna.
Gaura, 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 Gaura.
No. What is wrong with you? This place is not different from the Vrindavan. So you must chant the glories of Radha and Krishna.
The parrot was a spiritual parrot, so he could speak.
Radha and Krishna are combined together in the form of Gauranga. So I will chant Gaura, Gaura. You can chant whatever you want to. But for me, Radha and Krishna are Gauranga. So I will chant Gaura, 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 Gaura.
Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari, Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari, Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari, Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari, Jaya Sachidananda Gaura Hari,
understand the actual position of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the combination of Radha and Krishna. He comes in the material world to give us his mercy, the mercy of Krishna consciousness.
हरि बोल श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य राधा कृष्ण नहीं अन्य हरि बोल
And we have Mahaprabhu as Anand Vilasa Keshav Das. Parrot Shuka Goswami, Prisha. And dancing alone we have Kanak, Pruta, Janet and Niharika. Hare Krishna.